juice. A Morocco. Your dog. That's why she said your dog. Are you going to pet Jay? Hey, Valina, pet the doggy. Pet the doggy. Oh, that's such a sweet girl. She's rubbing Jake. She's just massaging him and petting him. Oh, he said, I like that. That feels good. Yeah.
Mama, I gotta pee.
You go pee? Okay, go in the bathroom there. You're a big girl. You know how to cut the light on, right? Yeah. Huh?
This way. The left or the right?
The right.
Right here?
That's the bathroom.